Welcome back to our Paris adventure. Today we are exploring one of the most magical places in the city, Montmartre, the artistic heart of Paris. We'll wander through charming cobble streets, discover hidden gems, climb up the breathtaking Sacré-Cœur Basilica, and enjoy one of the most spectacular panoramic views of Paris. So stay until the end because I'll also share some useful travel tips that could save you time and money when visiting this iconic neighborhood.
Down from the station, and that was too underground because while coming out. So anyways, forget about it. This place is beautiful. It is very much known for Parisian style. It has a narrow cobble street.
And it is also famous for its artists, cafes, street performers, and of course the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Many people say that this place is most romantic area in Paris, and after today you will understand why. So we have just arrived at one of the most heartwarming spots in Montmartre, the Wall of Love, or Les Mots de Tam. I'm not sure how does it pronounce, but in English if you read it, it pronounced like that. So I'm sorry my French friends and viewers if I'm not pronouncing it correctly in a French accent. So this beautiful art installation features the words, I love you. Good morning everyone. This is day 4 of our Paris series. If you've been following along, thank you so much. And if you are new here, I am Shazi and welcome to Life in England Vlog, where we explore beautiful destinations, share travel tips and help you plan unforgettable trips. Today we are visiting Montmartre, a place famous for its artists' cafes, as I told you all. So just look around. Every street here feels like stepping into a painting. Montmartre was once home to legendary artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. It's easy to see why they found inspiration in every corner. One thing I absolutely love is that every street has its own personality. Some are lined with colorful flowers, others are filled with tiny cafes where locals enjoy coffee while watching the world go by. Over here, the travel tip is come early in the morning if you want fewer crowds and better photos. By midday, these streets become very busy. One of my favorite parts of traveling is exploring local shops. You will find handmade artwork, Paris souvenirs, delicious pastries and unique gifts that you won't see anywhere else. So take your time here, don't rush. Sometimes the best memories come from simply wandering without a plan.
उस साइड भी तो है वैसे तो उधर ही से वॉक करते हैं आप जाइए तो अलग जाइए पेरिस में खकवा रहे पुठा लोग 2 में था ना वहाँ पेंटिंग स्टाइल है बिकॉज इट इज फ्रॉम Montmartre पेंटिंग बाहर वाला 3D वर्जन है सब तो वही है 50 सेंट से ले ले क्यों तो वहाँ तो तुमको 1 यूरो में मिलेगा इतना सारा कैश तो है वहाँ ये वाला था ना 30人哎，也让那个复杂的。
I was going to ask, is there any region like
And here we are. This magnificent white basilica sits at the highest natural point in Paris. Construction began in 1875 and today one of the city's most visited landmarks. The architecture is absolutely stunning. Whether you are religious or not, this place has such a peaceful atmosphere. If you're planning your trip, remember to dress respectfully when entering the church and keep your voice low inside. And now this is what everyone comes here for. Just look at this incredible view. From up here you can see rooftops stretching across the Paris, famous landmarks in the distance and the city buzzing below. This is definitely one of those moments where photos simply don't do justice to what you are seeing in real life.
This is beautiful view, as you all can see. So the entry over here is free, you all can go. But to go in the dome, you need to pay for some €8. But it is not required, as it is already we are in the top and we can have a beautiful view from here.
Montmartre is so much more than just another tourist attraction. It's full of history, creativity, culture, and charm. Every street tells a story, and every corner feels like discovering something new. So if you only have a few days in Paris, I genuinely recommend adding Montmartre to your itinerary. Thank you so much for joining me on day 4 of our Paris adventure. I hope this video helps you plan your own trip to Paris someday. Check out my full video on 5 days itinerary for Paris. So let's talk about the tips. Metro, take Anvers line 2 or Abysses line 12. Entry to Sacré-Cœur Basilica is free. Funicular included with a valid Paris Metro pass if you have. Best time to visit is 8 to 10 a.m. Watch out for bracelet scams and the steps. Wear comfortable walking shoes. The streets are steep and cobbled.